Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. So I have this month's Boxycharm unboxing and try on. And typically my intro is my full face of makeup, and it's not. So if you're wondering why I'm barefaced, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into this month's box. So I am gonna start, I've looked inside the box like usual, so I can kind of know what to expect. So the first thing I am going to do before we talk about the box is go ahead and put on the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Now I have gotten these in another box, I'm not sure which box, but they're really good and they're really pretty. Okay, so I love eye masks. I just think that they're so refreshing. I just feel like they give you a lot of moisture to your eyes, and I just really like them. Like, some people love them, some people, you know, really don't like them, but I just think that they are really soothing. And I like to put them in the refrigerator also, just so that they can get a little bit cooling and kind of depuff. And like, how cute are these? Like, if we're gonna wear some, they might as well be gold, right? So hopefully it won't be super distracting as we kind of go through the box a little bit. This one's theme is Life of the Party, Live It Up. So they've been doing this kind of like trifold things, which are really cool. So these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, retail price $13. They're supposed to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. And they have hyaluronic acid in it, so I think it can be really really good for your skin. So these kind of be left on, I didn't even look how long you're supposed to leave them on. But well, it doesn't really say how long to leave them on, but you know, till it's sufficient. This month's box is curated by Laura Lee. If you don't know her, she's an awesome YouTuber, and she has recently come out with her own makeup line. So that is super exciting, which means one of the things inside this box is from Laura Lee, but these are things that apparently she likes. Okay, so after I finished putting the eye patches on, and so once I've taken them off, what I like to do is just kind of help the serum penetrate a little bit more, just kind of give it a pat, really make sure that it seeps in, so when you apply any kind of serums or moisturizers or foundations over it, that it'll seep into that area. So our under eyes is super moisturized. Let's move on to the rest of the box. So next up, what I got is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Now, it's a 12-hour shine control, which is super awesome. I have never used this specific primer. I do like the Becca primers though, like the backlight filtering one, and it's like the purple one and the gold one. I really like both of those. So this one retails for anywhere between $15 and $18 depending on which one you got it. You could have gotten the First Light, the Backlight, or the Ever Matte. So I'm excited to get the Ever Matte because, again, it's out of those three, this is the only one I've not tried yet. So it's gonna take a little bit, and when it's something like mattifying like this, I just kind of put it on like the areas that I know get extra shiny. So like right now it's been so warm, so like kind of like right in my T-zone. So like that. There we go. It feels really good. It's a little bit of a thicker consistency, but I really like that. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my face on, and then we can dig into some of the products that are in here. So I'll be right back. Okay. Turn of events, my friends, turn of events. I came back, and as you can see, my face doesn't have anything else on it. That is because I've got a little surprise for you, and that is I'm doing my first ever giveaway. I'm so excited. I have been on YouTube for just over a year. I've reached 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really proud at the pace that I've been going. I've had such amazing followers and commenters and supporters that it was my turn to give back. And The reason why I'm choosing it today is because there's a few products in here that I will not be utilizing. And one of them is a Laura Lee. Oh yeah. It's the Laura Lee palette in Party Animal. And it is gorgeous, you guys. Not touched it. The plastic is still on. Like, look at those colors. Like, so pretty. However, this is not a palette that I would get a use out of. I can make a really fun a look, but I know I wouldn't use it. And so instead of using it and then having it set in my collection, I am excited to give this to a viewer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down because I'm also gonna show you another lipstick. This is a oh my gosh, this is the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal in the color Petal Metal, and it is beautiful, but I am not a metallic lip wearer either. I just know that if I put it on, it'd probably be really pretty, but I just wouldn't use it. And you know, I'm not gonna, it's a little, let me see if I can take it out. I can't take it out. I'm sorry, but it's pretty, and I don't want to ruin the box for whoever's going to receive this. Again, I give a lot of my product to family and friends because a lot of things just sit there and I can't just keep accumulating all of these things. But all of the stuff that I don't use or haven't swatched, I'd like to give back to you. With that being said, I'm going to show you the last few things in the box so you can get an idea of what's in it. The Laura Lee palette retails for $19, and the Smashbox lipsticks, you could have gotten one of a few. This retails anywhere between $21 and $24. And we also have the NCLA So Rich Vitamin E infused cuticle oil, and this retails for $18. And then the last thing is the Spang Beauty. It is a chocolate eyeliner. I actually opened this up and I swatched it, so I can't give this away, but unfortunately it's brown, but it's too light, if you can see this, to be an eyeliner on me. Maybe the waterline, but I also used it as like a cream eyeshadow because it does have multiple functions, and that's one of them. It was not the best looking. It looked a little like sallowy on me when I tried it out, but I did try it, and I might try it just put on the lower eye as kind of maybe an eyeliner and smudge it out for a different kind of look. But that was in it. I think it was really good stuff, and stuff that I probably wouldn't necessarily use, and so that's why I'm excited to give back. Now you're probably thinking like 2 items, like great, that's awesome. That is not the case. I have been collecting stuff for you guys, so I'm not gonna have one winner. I'm not gonna have 2 winners. I'm going to have 3 winners. The boxes are all packed up for you. Everyone will get a box full of goodies that I have been collecting for you. Brushes, hair stuff, mascara, lipsticks, highlighters, all things that I've gone and know that I wouldn't use, and I feel like someone would truly, truly appreciate them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that Laura Lee palette in one of these boxes, as well as the lipstick, and get them out. So you're probably wondering, how do I win? So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is like, make sure you're subscribed, and leave a comment down below, leaving your Instagram handle so I can get a hold of you. So I'm going to leave this I don't know when that's gonna stop, so we're gonna get through this. So I'm going to pick 3 winners, and the giveaway is gonna be open for the next week. So again, you've got a few things to do, and I'll leave that down below. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to leave your Instagram handle or a way that I can notify you that you're the winners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's not my normal unboxing and try on, but I'd much rather give back to you, and I look forward to trying on again in my next month's Boxycharm. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.